In real world databases, data is split across tables. To bring it together, you need joins. Let's simplify them. A join links rows from two tables using related columns. Think of student info in one table and scores in another one, linked by an ID. Inner join shows only the matching rows. If there's no match, that row is left out. Left join gives you all the rows from the left table and matched rows from the right. If no match, it fills it with nulls. Right join is the opposite. You get everything from the right table and match values from the left. Full join gives you everything from both tables. If there's no match, you still get the rows with nulls. Joins power reports, dashboards, and real insights. Once you get them, SQL just clicks. Mastering joins means mastering data relationships.